Hello, this is Roy from Talkpod. Today, let me introduce the new generation of Talkpod N55 PoC radio, which is called N56. There are three key functions in this radio. First, it's with 1.7-inch color display and a direct emergency button. Second is IP56 water and dust proof for public safety. Third, it's already with CE, FCC, IC, RCM, KC and TISI certificated for global standards. Okay, let's open the box and see what's inside. Well, okay, here is an owner's manual. The body of N56 PoC radio, a rapid desktop charger, standard capacity lithium battery pack, and US standard power adapter, a stubby 4G antenna, a rug, spring bell clip. It comes with a nylon stripe, mantle cover and screws for SIM card. Okay, this N56 PoC radio got slim and dual color rug design, bigger 1.7-inch color display and 6-quick overall keypad. On the top of the radio is an orange direct emergency button. There are direct screws and volume knobs. Here is a 36mm loudspeaker, and there is a PTT button and two programmable buttons. It uses the popular Kenwood 2-pin connector as well. It's IP56 lab certificated, waterproof and dust-proof rated. So that's a quick view of our new product N56. See you next time. Thanks for your watching.